In this makeup tutorial, we are going to go and put a pen through our eye. Of course, this is makeup, so it is fully and totally fake. Also, too, this makeup isn't the best to go and wear for a long amount of time because you do need to have your eye closed. So let's get started. You're going to need a cotton round. Take the cotton round and go and tear it in half. Try to make sure that you don't tear a center hole or tear the other piece in half that you have there. Go and put some liquid latex around where your eye is. If you're allergic to liquid latex, there are different alternatives. You can either put this above your eyebrow or below your eyebrow. I ended up putting this a little bit below my eyebrow. I did want a small amount of the cotton above my eyebrow. Liquid latex, though, can be really annoying to get out of hair, and you will need petroleum jelly to go and get it out if you put any into your eyebrow or your hairline. Go and take liquid latex and put it around the edges of the cotton round, just to kind of get it down a little bit. Take a pen, put liquid latex all the way on one side of it, and then try to center it into the cotton round. Make sure you don't put this directly into your eyebrow, because again, liquid latex is really annoying to get out of hair. Go and tear a small piece off of the other piece of cotton round that you have. Go and stick it onto the cotton round that is on your eye, and then use liquid latex on top of this to really go and secure the pen, along with also make it look like it's sticking out of this. Now take fake blood and put it all over the cotton round, and you're going to need a good amount of fake blood for this. And the cotton from the cotton round is probably going to get stuck in whatever applicator that you use, so it will take a bit of time to go and apply this. After you have a good amount onto the cotton round, go and take your finger and start to spread it around and make sure to put some onto the pen, and make sure to go and put some around the outer portion of your eye as well. After the makeup is done, it should look like this. And here's a closer look of the makeup. Again, this makeup really isn't for long use or long wear, but it does look cool, and maybe it's great for a movie scene or something like that you want to do. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And happy spooky season!